Next topic. A lot of people come to the clinic and they ask, "Oh, I don't have money to be to take care of my body." And I say everything is free. So today I put this on the board. What's the most hormones in your body being released and how you can produce those hormones in your body? And one of the first one, it's serotonin. Serotonin, it's a stabilize your mood and stabilize your mood. This is the functional primal function of this hormones. How to create serotonin in your body, because I'm trying to speak Russian and English, because we're going to do two movies today, two in Russian and English. So the first one, it's actually walk. Just simple walk, make you serotonin go rise, scale up. Next one, sleep. It's free, right? You can sleep anytime you want. But if you sleep too much, it's bad. If you don't sleep enough, it's also bad. So you need to know how to sleep right. Nutrition, good food. Also, you also buy the food all the time. But if you know which food is good for you, which is not create the allergy in you, and good for your body, you're always going to be good and grow your serotonin. The next one, it's your social presence. Like, how are we going to say this in English? What's the word for this? If like someone say you're a good boy, you're the good teacher. It's like compliments. Yeah, I always say compliments. If a lot of people compliment you, your brain is searching for that, because you know you did something good, you did good work, and that's what the brain looking for. That's released that serotonin, and that's also good. Next one, it's I don't know, it's Russian, and oxytocin. So yeah, oxytocin. Oxytocin, it's a Russian oxytocin. So this is hormone of love, hormone of care. And the first one, it's just the basic touch. If you hug people, people hug you, you get released this, what's the name? Sir? Oxytocin. Now I know, you see, oxytocin. I don't know how to pronounce that right. Oxytocin. And guess what? What's the next one? Oxytocin. Massage. Massage. Because people touch you, you feel that tension, you feel that pain through this touch, and it's release it. Why? Because you release those hormones, and that's great. Also, touch the cat. Like touch the animals. A lot of people experience animal when they touch the animal, when they care of the pets. It's they feel good. Why? Because you can see those videos. Everyone take care of those cats, take care of the dogs, and this is what we're looking for. We're not looking for that adrenaline. We're not looking for that. What's that? Just say it. Cortisol, yeah, because it's released that stress. We just been talking about this negative effect of the brain, what they're looking for, this negative information in our life, and this is important. So next one, it's a endorphin or painkiller. This is really important one, because what's how to increase that one. This is, again, it's absolutely free. It's laugh. Just simple laugh. Laugh is going to increase that hormones in your body. Also, regular training, like this is what we do every day. Take care of your body, and also meditation. Meditation and your own self grow. This is what's released as endorphin muscle, which is painkiller. A lot of people get that pain because they never, like I said, they never train the fascia, they not take care of themselves, and that's create that stiffness in the body and create more pain in your body. So as you can see, it's absolutely free. All you can do this free. Maybe food, but you still buy food, right? We still need the food. And next one, this the final one, it's a dopamine. Dopamine, it's a motivation, it's a discipline hormone. If you don't have that in you, that's going to be the problems. So, and a lot of people, let me go over. So, the first one, it's learn something new. When you constantly learn something new, when you upgrade yourself, that's release that that dopamine in your body, and this is what you're looking for. And next one, it's targeting. Reach your target. Reach your target. Reach your goal. If sometimes people, why they so depressed, why they so demotivated, because they don't release this hormones in your body. And guess what? You go tell them, everyone, I'm starting doing, like, I don't know, weight loss. You tell everyone weight loss. I'm going to be like, I'm going to be in shape in a couple of months. And what happened to you? You, maybe something happened, you broke down, you get ill, you get sick, you get injury, and you didn't do your that workout. You don't reach your endorphin in your body, that painkiller. So now you get more upset because everyone, you tell everyone you're going to be in shape and it's not happen. So you never reach your goal. So it's going to be decrease your dopamine in your body and demotivate you more. So really be careful what you're doing, what you're saying. I always try to keep it quiet now. That's what I've learned. If I want to do something, I'm just quiet. When it's happened, I tell people I release that, and I release my dopamine. So get that dopamine. Don't get shy. This is what you want. All those hormones, you want a lot. That's what you make you happy, make you more healthier, and I don't know, live your life better. So that's the key. Also, dopamine can be released through the music. That's why a lot of people like to music, specifically good mood music, the high vibration music, because what's the scientists they did? They freeze the water, and they put the water in all different room and play different music in those rooms and say different words to those water and freeze it. After they look to the microscope, they're looking for the beautiful pattern in the beautiful music, like a classic music, jazz, Airbnb, very nice soul music. And when they will look at the hip hop, rock, or some aggressive music, the crystals was chaotic. It wasn't that perfection. So plus water, just think about it. It's one of the very, very important elements inside us. So what's observed water, observe you. And if you observe this information from outside, guess what? What's going to happen? You're gonna be, if you listen good music, you're going to be good, you're in good mood and good, how's it going to say? Yeah, just in good lifestyle and good life positioning. And if not, like I said, we make our choices, and depends on those choices, you are where you are right now. So it's important to take care of yourself. And this is what I want to talk about. So people keep saying about money. I don't have money. I don't have to go there. I can buy this. Everything is free up here. So all those hormones of happiness is free. But what people do, they go buy drugs, they buy medication, I don't know, they try to go to the wizard, to some specific extrasensoric people, paying extra money to find out what's happened to them. But the answer is right in here. All right, so be healthy and work on it. That's all you need to do. Thanks for watching.